Friends, now we will see the experiment of E by M by Thomson's method. This experiment was firstly performed by the scientist Thomson, and therefore its name is E by M by Thomson's method. See here, E by M means charge to mass ratio of the electron. As per the last practical, here the aim of the experiment is to determine the value of a specific charge by mass of an electron by Thomson's method. The apparatus is a cathode ray tube, which is called a CRT tube. See here, this is a cathode ray tube, CRT, with a power supply unit. This is a power supply unit in which a voltmeter is fitted. Here is a voltmeter for measuring the deflection of the voltage. Then pair of a bar magnet. This is a bar magnet. This is a bar magnet. Then magnetometer compass. Then magnetometer compass box. But for getting the idea about the north direction. Then this is a wooden stand. On this wooden stand, this CRT is kept. See now, this is a magnetic needle or compass box. All these are the instruments used for performing the E by M experiment. Friends, see, C is a cathode, G is a control grid, P and Q is a deflecting plates, A1 is first anode, A2 is second anode, which is accelerating anode. The formula for this experiment for calculating the E by M, V into 10 raised to 7 into Y upon L square D IMU per gram. This is a L is the length of the deflecting plates here. Then second L is the distance of a screen from edges of plates P and Q. Y is the total deflection of the spot on the screen. H is the intensity of the applied field. D is the separation between the plates P and Q. See friends, in connection, in concern with this experiment, we are giving the video link for getting better idea. When it is uploaded, you have to go in description, and in that description you will get these things. Means that you can see this discussion along with, by clicking it, you will get the actual idea about this experiment. We have to place the cathode ray tube in a wooden stand such that cathode ray tube faces towards north and south, while wooden stand towards east and west. See here, this is a wooden stand. This wooden stand east west, and CR tube is north south direction. Secondly, we have to start the power supply, adjust the intensity of the spot, clear, as small as a point on the screen. Then read the initial reading of the spot on the scale attached with the screen. Say it is a 0.3. Then give a deflection in upward direction with the help of deflecting voltage. Now mark on the acceleration on the power supply such that final reading we will get positive 0.7, so that the total deflection on the screen of the spot is 0.3 plus 0.7, which is nothing but a 1, that is 1. Now we have to plot this observation table in this manner, and by which we can determine the deflecting Y for different values of voltage V. Here we have to write the applied voltages, and then final position of the spot means when we are going to apply here some volt, at that time what is the deflection of spot we have to write here, and what is the initial position of the spot here. Then again we will get the total deflection here, and by calculating R1 and pole, R2 and pole, we have to calculate all these things in this way. Then how to determine the H? Again same thing, voltage is given, we have to apply here, and reading of the two ends of the pointer of compass blocks, here theta 1 and theta 2 and theta 3 and theta 4. By taking a mean of these things we will get the value, and by putting the values in this formula we are able, or we will get the E by M for first set, E by M for second set, E by M for third set, and here we will get the final result, E by M of an electron here. See friends, on your paper you have to write all these things, draw the diagram also, and step by step the title of the experiment, then the aim of the experiment, apparatus of the experiment, theory of the experiment, observation table, you have to plot it, and if any query you can ask through this telegram by putting just a message, and by discussion we will solve your problem. And see, when you will see this video, at that time same time there is a link which is given for performed the experiment in laboratory. You can see for better understanding, and you will get the idea about it. Thank you very much.